This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning, students. Wait for 5 minutes. Students have to be joined. Okay, students. We will start the class now. We are going to discuss in today's class three more problems on inductance. So yesterday we discussed three problems which are inductance, which are belongs to the single phase. Now we are going to derive that for the solve the problems based on the three phase lines, and these questions are already asked in the previous competitive exam. So my intention is you have to clear about how to make the circuit based on the given information. That is my intention. So that's why we are going to solve three more problems in this class. So are you? So the display showing that question number one. That's so note down that question. So this question was asked in GATE 2011, right? So first of all, here they didn't mention any diagram. So just I mentioned here there are some sentences here. So what are the question they asked means they given means determine the inductance per phase of a single phase transmission line per kilometer. So it means that the first sentence is so the given circuit in the is a single phase. So phase and neutral, and here the consists of three conductors of 2 centimeter of radii in the go conductor. So I already told you that in single phase line, the phase terminal is called as go conductor, and the neutral terminal is called as return conductor. Now what they are asking means the go conductor having that three strands, and each having that 2 centimeter as a radii. So here each one having the radii is 2 centimeter, that is 2 into 10 power minus 2. So here the go conductor having the three strands, and three strands having the radius is 2 centimeter, that is 2 into 10 power minus 2. Now and the two conductors of 4 centimeter of radii in the return conductor. So it means that the return conductor having the two conductors with radius of 4 centimeter as shown figure. Now the strands in the go conductor and return conductor are displaced by 4 meter. So the distance of strands in the go conductor as well as return conductor is given by the 4 meter, and displacement between go and return conductor by 6 meters. So this is the given data. Based on the data, we form the circuit like this. So this is the circuit. Here they clearly given that the given problem is belongs to the single phase circuit. In single phase circuit, The phase terminal is called as go conductor and neutral is called as return conductor. In that, go conductor having the three strands A, B, C, and return conductor having the two strands A dash and B dash. Now, the radius of strands in the go conductor is 2 centimeter and here 4 centimeter. Now, the displacement of strands in the go conductor is 4 meters and as well as the return conductor is 4 meters. Now, the displacement between go and return conductor is 6 meters. So, first of all, we have to form a circuit based on the given data. Then only we can get the proper output here. Now, so they are asking that we have to find the inductance per phase. So it means that you can take that go conductor as a reference. Now we have to find that inductance value of a go conductor. Now what is the equation for inductance? L is equals to 2 into 10 power minus 7 ln dm by ds. So first of all, note down the question. I will maximize this the paint slide. So first of all, note down the question here. See, if you understand the problems, then only you can understand the concept. So why? Because that is the importance of the subject. So if you're not studying now itself, you can't able to study in afterwards. సో ఎందుకు చెప్తానంటే ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ కి చాలా ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఉంది. రేపు మీరు మాస్టర్స్ చేయాలన్నా కానీ ద సేమ్ సబ్జెక్ట్ యూ కెన్ రిపీట్. సో యూ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ టు నో అవేర్ అబౌట్ ఈచ్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీ టర్మ్స్ ఇన్ దిస్ సబ్జెక్ట్ EPTS. So already diploma students are studied EPTS. So you know that what is the importance of EPTS, right? So don't neglect the subject. మీరు దీనిపైన ఎంత ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే అంత సబ్జెక్ట్ మీరు గెయిన్ చేసుకోవచ్చు ఇక. రైట్, ఐ విల్ క్లోజ్ దట్ క్వశ్చన్ స్లైడ్. Now we have to find the equation with respect to that go conductor that is given by inductance of A is equals to. So they are asking that we have to find the inductance per kilometer, right? So I am writing this equation in terms of kilometer. 2 into 10 power minus 4 ln dm by ds. Right. So this is the equation we have to find that. Now how we can calculate the dm? So dm formula is the number of conductors in this go conductor is n and number of conductors in return nm. So nm is square root of, and from A to A dash, A to B dash. So we have to make the distance from go to return. So all from each and every stand. So it will come dA A dash dA B dash into dB A dash dB B dash. Next DC A dash DC B dash. So this is the terms we have to find that. Okay, now you can easily whether these terms are correct or not, you can easily know that. How you can know this? If you multiply n and m, so here n is equals to 3 and m is equals to 2. So if you multiply these two, you will get 6, right? So it gives 6th root of. So whatever number is came here, the number of terms inside the root should be same. So we have the 6 terms: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the way of identification whether you are correct or not. Okay, now what is the value of dA dash? What is the distance between A and A dash? What is the distance between A and A dash? while seeing the diagram, the distance between A and A dash is 6 meters. 6 into next. What is the distance between A and B dash? So if you want to find this, so here how we can calculate that A and B dash means, so DAB dash is equals to square root of 36 plus 16. Now what is the value here? What is the square root of 36 plus 16? So that is given by DAB dash. Students, what is the value of DAB dash? Square root of 36 plus 16.
10, sir.
36 plus 16. Square root of 36 plus 16. So you can't able to add directly. 6 plus 4 are try to do. ఎందుకంటే these are not connected in series. ఓకేనా? సో ఈ విధంగా ఎల్ షేప్ లో కానీ ఈ షేప్ లో ఇటువంటి షేప్ ఉన్నప్పుడు మీరు ఈ విధంగా యూజ్ చేయాలి. స్క్వేర్ రూట్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్రమ్ హియర్ టు హియర్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ హియర్ టు హియర్. So that is as to difference between this type of parallel conductors and series conductors. So square root of 36 plus 16 is given by 7.211. So 7.211 into what is the distance between DB and A dash? DB A dash. So from here to here, B to A dash. So you will get same value. Square root of 4 square is 16 plus 6 square is 36. So same 7.211. Into DB B dash. So the distance between B and B dash is 6 meter. Next, DC A dash. Here to here. How we can calculate C to A dash? So it's square root of the distance between C and A is 8 meters. So 8 is the 64 plus from here to here. So 36. It will get 10 into 10 divided by into what is the distance between C B dash? C B dash also 4 to B is 4 meters and B to B dash is 6 meters. So you will get 7.211. Then find the value of DM. DM is 6th root of 6 into 7.211 into 7.211 into 6 into 10 into 7.211. Find the value of DM. Right. So the answer of DM is 7.162 meters. So the DM value is given by 7.162 meter. See, don't confuse that. So ఇక్కడ మనకు వచ్చేసి సింగిల్ సాలిడ్ కండక్టర్ వేరు, స్ట్రాండ్స్ వేరు. ఓకేనా? సో యూ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ టు ప్రాక్టీస్. మీరు ఎక్కువ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తే యూ మే గెట్ వాట్ ఇస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ దిస్ టూ. అంటే మనకి డిఫరెంట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలో తెలుస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? So now we have to calculate that the DS value. So the DS value is given by, so we are finding that terms with respect to the Go conductor, right? So it has the n number of conductors, that is n square, square root of DAA next DAB DAC. So if you take that, we are finding that Go conductor, right? If you take the A as the reference, from A to A self distance, A to B and A to C. So this is the first term. Next term is from, if you take the B as a reference, from B to A, from B to B and B to C. Next into, if you take the C as a reference, CA, distance between CB and DCC. Now we have the 9 terms, right? So here n is a 3. 3 square is what you get 9. So you are having the ninth root of 9 terms inside the root. So that's what you have to verify, that whether the terms and square root are equal or not. సో ఇక్కడ ఏది మిక్స్ చేసామో యూ కెన్ ఈజీలీ ఐడెంటిఫై దట్. సో ఇక్కడ మీకు స్క్వేర్ రూట్ లో ఎంత అయితే వస్తుందో లోపల ఉన్న టర్మ్స్ కూడా అన్ని రావాలి. ఓకేనా? సో n square means 3 square. So here we have the 3 conductors in the go conductor, 3 strands. So n square means 9, 9th root of first term. So from, if you take the reference as a from A to A, distance with DAA into DAB and DAC. So that is the first thing. Second term is DBB, DBA and DBC. Third term is DCC, DCA and DCB. So this is the way of finding that self GMD, that is GMR. So it is within the conductor we have to find that what is the difference between that all strands in the conductor, single conductor. Now 9th root of here the self distances DAA and DBB and DCC, these are equals to the R dash. So R dash is given by 0.7788. What is the radius of this 3 conductors? 2 centimeter, right? So into 2 into 10 power minus 2. Then find the R dash value. What is the value of R dash? Zero. All right, very good. So you can write this one is 15.5 into 10 power minus 3 meter. So this is the R dash value. Now substitute here in this equation. So dA is R dash, right? We are getting the 3 R dash. So you can write 15.5 into 10 cubed, 10 power minus 3 whole cubed. ఎందుకంటే మనకు 3 terms వస్తాయి కాబట్టి whole cubed వేస్తాను. Into what is the distance between DAB? 4. Into what is the distance between DAC? 8. Into distance between DBA? 4. Into already DBB we write here. Next DBC is 4. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 2 more terms. DCB is 4 and DCA is 8. Now find the DS value. So it adds 3 terms. So it is a cube into 4 into 8 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 8. So you can apply the 9th root. Then find the DS value. .732 meters, right? So the DS value is 0.732. What about that? Only one students are responding. What about others? Sorry, got DS value 0.732 meters. Others are we got the value DS value 0.732. Right. See, now we got the two values. One is DM and DS, right? Now substitute in the inductance value. So L is equals to 2 into 10 power minus 4 into ln. So the DM value we got is 7.16 divided by the DS value we got 0.734. What is the value of DS? Right, 0.732. And its unit is Henry per kilometer. Find the inductance value here. .45 millihenry per kilometer. Let me check. What about others? Have you all got the value of inductance per co-conductor? Question Basha, Jaiviswar Reddy. Right, we will check that the answer is 0.45 is correct or not. Right, so your answer is correct. The answer is the inductance, that is L1. The inductance of a go conductor is 0.45 millihenry per kilometer. Now we will go for second problem, and this problem was asked in 2011 GATE exam. Okay, now so next we go for second problem. So this question was asked in the transfer exam. See here, first of all, read the question here. A single circuit three-phase transposed transmission line is composed ACSR conductor per phase with horizontal configuration as shown in figure. Find the inductance reactance per kilometer at 50 Hz. Radius of each conductor in a bundle is 1.725 centimeter. Now, what are the problem they asked? So మన ఈ ప్రాబ్లం సింగిల్ ఫేజ్ సంబంధించి త్రీ ఫేజ్ సంబంధించిందా? So we derived three types of derivations: single phase, three phase double circuit. ఇది దేనికి సంబంధించింది? So first of all, try to draw the circuit for this. So what they ask is, in a single circuit three phase transposed transmission line. Okay na, అంటే ఒక సింగిల్ సర్క్యూట్ లో ట్రాన్స్పోజర్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి. So let me see how it will be. So in a single circuit it has the transposed, అంటే ఇక్కడ x ఉంటే ఇక్కడ x డాష్ ఉంటుంది, అలాగే ఇక్కడ y ఉంటే y dash, if it is z, z dash. So this is the meaning of a single circuit three phase transport transmission line. అంటే ఒక సింగిల్ సర్క్యూట్ లో ఒక్కొక్క ఫేజ్ ట్రాన్స్పోజ్ అయి ఉంటుంది, and it has the three phase R, Y, B. This is the meaning of this sentence. So ఇప్పుడు మీ సెంటెన్స్ కనుక మీరు అండర్స్టాండ్ చేసుకుంటే then you can easily calculate that what is the that is the inductance value. Okay na? So first of all, note down the question. Right. We go for the solution. So let me see how we can make the circuit based on the given condition. సో నేను క్వశ్చన్ స్లైడ్ కంప్లీట్ క్లోజ్ చేస్తున్నాను. So this is the circuit based on that given condition. See here, they given that a single circuit has that three-phase transposed line, and they have to we have to find that inductance reactance per conductor, and it's having that GMR value is, what is the GMR value here? 1.725 centimeter. Okay, now we have to solve for this. So what they asked in question, what we have to find? We have to find that inductance reactance per kilometer at 50 H. Radius of each conductor is in a bundle is 1.725. That is the GMR value. Okay, now we will find that one by one. So first of all, draw the circuit. And for this question, we have to find that. So let's consider we have to find any one of the phase R, Y, B, whatever it may be. So we can find inductance of a LR and as well as reactance of a LR. Okay, now. So ఇప్పుడు దీనికి ఫార్ములా ఏమొస్తుందంటే 2 into 10 power minus 4. They ask for kilometer. ln dm by ds. In this is the Henry per kilometer. Now we have to find that dm value and ds value. So this type of problems, the dm and ds value is different. We have to calculate different manner. So the dm value can be written as 3 root of DAB, DBC and DCA. So this type of construction we can't able to find that what we found previous problem. So we have to find, this is the way of finding the dm value. So dm is equal to the number of conductors we have 3 R by B, 3 square root of the diameter, the GMD between A and B, B and C and C and A. Then only we can find the total GMD value. And ds value we can find, ds is equal to same 3 root of DSA, DSB and DSC. Just note down these two formulas when they're asking that three-phase transposed system. Now we have to find that DAB, DBC, DCA for getting the DM value, and DSA, DSB, DSC for getting the DS value. So now we will find that one by one. First DAB. So this is the conductor A, conductor B. Let we take A and B. It has two conductors here, two conductors here. Then you will get that total 2 to the 4 conductors. square root of from A to B. So DAB, DAB dash, DBA, sorry, DA dash B and DA dash B dash. These are the four terms we can append here, and this can be easily simply we can write D into D plus D, D minus D, and D. If you see here, the distance between A and B, so from midpoint to midpoint it is D. From distance between A and B dash, additionally the diameter is added here, so D plus D. Next one is from A dash B, so we have to subtract D value. So this is the standard value when we have to calculate this type of problems. D into D plus D into D minus D into D. Now here what is the D value? 6 into D plus D, 6 into D, 6.5 into D minus D, 6 minus 0.5 is 5.5 into 6. Then find out what is the value of DAB. DAB value is 5.989, right? Super. So DAB is equal to 5.989 or 99. Now we have to calculate the DBC value. So now in this condition, A నుంచి B కి ఎంతైతే ఉంటుందో B నుంచి C కూడా అంతే ఉంటుంది. So the same value is equals to DBC also. So if you find this same DBC, you will get same equations here. D into D plus D into D minus D into D. So that is 5.99. Okay, now for DBC also you will getting the same value DBC. Now we have to find out what is the value of DCA. For finding the DCA value, so we have the 4 conductors in C2 in A2, so totally 4. From DA to C, DA C dash. Similarly, DA dash C, DA dash C dash. Now if you write this equation, see here, the distance between A and C is becomes to the 2D. Okay now, so A నుంచి B కి వచ్చేసి DA ఉంటుంది, B నుంచి C కి D ఉంటుంది. కానీ when the distance between the A and C becomes 2D, so now the equation is becomes 2D into 2D plus D into 2D minus D into 2D. So this is the difference between the consecutive conductors and opposite, that is different conductors. If it A and B are consecutive, so అప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుందంటే D into D plus D, D minus D and D వస్తుంది. అలాగే BC కూడా అలాగే వస్తుంది. But when compare here, when observe the A and C, the distance between A conductor and C conductor is double. That is D plus 2. 2D you will come. Okay now here the value of this root is 4th root, right? 4th root of 12 into 12.5 into 11.5 into 12. Then find the DCA value. 11.994, right? So the DCA value is 11.994. Now we got DAB and DBC, DCA. Now substitute in the DM value. So the DM equation is DM is equals to cube root of 5.99 into, so this is the DCA DAB value 5.99. This is DBC value 11.99. This is DCA value. Then DM value is what? $7.549, right? So DM value is 7.549. Okay, now we have to calculate that DS value. Let me see how we can calculate the DS value. So DS formula is DS equals to cube root of DSA, DSB and DSC. Okay, now let's find the DSA value. So let's consider A is nothing but R conductor, right? So this is the conductor we have. We have to find that GMR with respect to this this conductor alone. Okay, now R conductor alone కావాలి ఇప్పుడు. So ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని నుంచి చూసుకుంటే it has the two conductors n equals to 2. So it will get 2 n square, that is 2 square, and the distance, the self distance of DAA dash, similarly DA dash A dash and DA dash A. This is the GMR of with respect to A conductor. అలాగే DSB ఏమొస్తుందంటే n square square root of DBB, DB dash, DBB dash and DB dash B. So same thing what you got here, you will get same thing. Now DAA and DA dash A dash both are self distances, that is GMR value. You can write R dash. So 0.7788. What is the radius of stand they given? 1.725. 1.725 into 10 power minus 2. Find the value of R dash. Zero point 013, right? So R dash is 0.013. Now substitute here. DSA equals to, so n square you will get 4th root of R dash, you got 0.013. So we have the two R dashes, you can write square into the distance between A and A dash is what? 0.5. At the same time, the distance between A and A dash is 0.5. Then what is the value of DSA? Zero point 013 whole square into 0.5 into 0.5 and power 1/4. It is 4th root, right? Right. So the answer is 0.08. Now if you calculate that self distance of DB and DSB and DSC, you will get same answer. Okay, now so the finally substitute in the DS value. DS is equals to cube root of 0.08 whole cubed. So why? Because you will get same answer DSA and DSB and DSC. So cube root will get cancelled, then finally we will get 0.08. Then find the inductance value per kilometer. So we have to substitute this value in the equation of L is equals to 2 into 10 power minus 4 into ln of, you got the dm is g of 7.54 and 0.08. Find the value of inductance L. So 0.9 millihenries per kilometer. Okay, now find the inductive reactance, that is XL. XL is equals to 2 pi FL. So while calculating this value, keep your calculator in radians mode. Then find the inductive reactance XL. .282. What is the units of inductive reactance? What is the units of inductive reactance? Students, what is the units of inductive reactance? Henries or ohms? Right, ohms. Okay, now. So this is the units of inductive reactance. Okay, students. Till now, I will stop to the class. So this is about different types of problems on inductance. సో నీకు మండే నుంచి మీకు కెపాసిటర్స్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేసుకుందాం. ఓకేనా? సో మీరు ఇండక్టెన్స్ పైన నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ కానీ కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్ కానీ మీకు ఏ ప్రాబ్లమ్ డౌట్ వచ్చినా యూ కెన్ కాల్ మీ. ఓకేనా? మీకు ఆ క్వశ్చన్ పంపిస్తే ఐ విల్ టెల్ యూ ద ఆన్సర్. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ గివ్ ద సొల్యూషన్. So if you well about this calculation means you can understand the derivation also. Okay na? So మీరు ఎప్పుడైతే డెరివేషన్స్ కనుక బాగా నేర్చుకుంటారో ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ బాగా చేయగలుగుతారు. So both are interrelated and the capacitance derivations also which is exact similar to the inductance derivations. Okay na? So మీరు ఆల్రెడీ మీకు అసైన్మెంట్ సబ్మిట్ చేయమన్నాను, బట్ నోబడీ సబ్మిటెడ్, ఓన్లీ వన్ ఆర్ టూ. ఓకేనా? సో ఈక్వేషన్స్ అన్ని నేర్చుకొని రాసి తర్వాత ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకేనా? రైట్. సో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు ఎండ్ దిస్ క్లాస్ నౌ.